some folks saw a little sun and got a little, if you will, thinking, hey, maybe we can get out and have a little fun. That's not the case.
Yeah, no, it's still really cold out there, dangerous cold. Michael Ottavino is here. He's going to talk about that. First off, I just want to talk about that it's still snowing out there. Mostly just flurries around the Metroplex, just flurries. There is some organized snow that is moving across Montague County, across Cook County, and Grayson, a little bit more on the Red River side. This is just a little burst of snow, the last of it, if you will, and you can see it from Bowie over to Gainesville and up into Marietta over by the casino. We can also see that behind it there's a little bit more. Here's what I was just showing you, and now you can see some more training behind it. This will kind of evaporate out a little bit. It won't be as thorough by the time it gets across our northern counties. Some of this might come over the Metroplex before we finish the day. It would be just a little bit of snow, I mean, like a dusting. It's very difficult for the computer modeling, the algorithms we use to figure out totals, how much has fallen, because as far as snow, because there was a lot of sleet. And first there was freezing rain. So the computer's trying to have this running total, and it messes up, because if I sampled this, it would tell you like there's 7 inches of snow on the ground in Gainesville, but it's not. What's on the ground in Gainesville is about 3 inches of sleet and then about 1 inch of snow on top of that. This is typical of this whole area up just to the north of the Metroplex, where there's at least 2 inches of sleet, if not more, on the ground, and then a little snow on top. Not so much snow across the Metroplex. You can see everything white out there, save for the roads and the river basin. We have temperature sitting at 19 degrees. The wind chill is 5. That's what it feels like to your body. If you're outside, the feel-like temperature to you is 5 degrees. So be careful if you want to spend some time outdoors today. Here's total sleet counts. You can see the DFW airport says 2 inches of sleet is on the ground there, and we're getting lots of reports around the Metroplex of 2 inches of sleet. Allen 1.7. Murchison 1.2, and around 1 inch in Ladonna, St. Joe, and Plano about 1 inch. We're trying to get an update from the National Weather Service based on observations, but another way to look at this is where the high reflectivity was through this whole period, and I've outlined the areas, and you can see in this darker color right here, typical of sleet bands, snow bands. They kind of set up over an area for hours. So really from about Erath County, Palo Pinto, up into Grayson, this seemed to be a pretty good snow band, which was mostly sleet, like I was telling you. Wichita Falls actually turned out to be mostly snow, and then down here was basically all sleet down in Navarro County. We've got these strong winds. You've noticed them, I know, if you've been outside. It's been gusting out there. Here is the good nose, the cold nose that you're going to have if you're out there. But the good news about your cold nose is that the winds are going to come down a little bit. And Michael Ottavino, I'm telling you, that's all the difference in the world if you're stuck outside. You want those winds to come down.
Yeah, Jeff, that's right. I mean, we have an extreme cold warning into effect as we move ahead into tomorrow, and it continues into Tuesday, as those winds will make those feels-like temperatures drop well below zero. I'm talking temperatures feel. So notice that extreme cold warning into effect until 9 o'clock Tuesday morning across all of North Texas, even up into portions of Oklahoma, as well as into areas into Louisiana. So again, it's not only DFW that's dealing with the cold. We really don't get much of a change in our weather pattern until we move until about Tuesday afternoon, where we finally will see those temperatures rise back above the freezing mark. When you wake up Monday morning, this is what you wake up to. 3 degrees in Denton, 8 in Fort Worth, 10 in Dallas, a single degree into Bowie, 1 below zero into Graham. Areas out to the south a little bit better. 14 in Corsicana. I guess it beats 3 degrees that we're going to see in Denton. By Tuesday morning, we're slowly improving. 8 degrees in Denton, 8 in McKinney, 12 in Dallas, 10 degrees in Fort Worth. You still wake up to those temperatures feeling much colder than that. I think we'll feel definitely below zero for tomorrow, and it will feel like below zero for Tuesday morning. So bundle up both days. Our weather alerts continue for tomorrow and Tuesday due to the dangerous cold. As we move throughout the week, week, we will see temperatures stay below freezing at night. So anything that melts during the day will refreeze at night. So during the commutes throughout the week, you certainly want to give yourself plenty of extra travel time. We're into those lower 40s by Tuesday, and then by Wednesday, a little bit cooler into the upper 30s. But at least we'll see sunshine that will help to melt any of the snow and the ice on those roadways. So from right now until Tuesday, how much longer will we stay below freezing? Right around 46 hours until we are above the freezing point again. So again, still many hours below the freezing mark. Now, I want to point out, we did get spoiled for the first half of January. We saw temperatures into the upper 70s and even into the lower 80s for the second week. So 2 weeks later, two and a half weeks later, we're seeing temperatures that are still struggling to get to the 20-degree mark for today. So certainly a temperature whiplash. And I think for about the next 7, 8, 9 days, we do stay below average for the most part. We're really struggling to get into the 50s many days on our 7-day forecast. I don't have any. We'll be at 42 by Tuesday, 38 by Wednesday, 44 on Thursday. We stay dry throughout the week, and then you will notice temperatures all across Friday, Saturday, and finally by, I think, Sunday, we get to the upper 40s, closer to the 50-degree mark. But our overnights are still staying very chilly, especially Saturday morning, waking up to the teens.